Hey traders! If you are looking to take your trading to the next level and you are looking at some prop firms that offer you some opportunities for real growth, then I've got something that you might want to hear about. Today, we're going to explore Trade the Pool, which are one of the leading stock trading prop firms out there. And I'll be giving you details on their limited edition mini buying power program. While I am not currently enrolled with Trade the Pool, I've been keeping a close eye on what programs they offer to their traders, and this program in particular stands out. Their limited edition mini buying power program gives you $20,000 in buying power, which you can trade with, and they've made it easier than ever to pass and to profit. In this video, I'm going to break it down in full detail for you. But before we get into it, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to look at Trade the Pool and follow along with me, there is a link below in the description where you can find out some more information. Let's get to it. Here are some key features of the program that really caught my attention. First off, they've reduced the profit target from $1,800 to $1,350. That is a massive difference, and it can make passing an evaluation program much more accessible, especially for traders who are looking for a quicker path to success. Next, they've also reduced the minimum amount of trades required from 20 to 10, giving traders a lot more flexibility in how they approach their evaluation program without the need to have to overtrade. And here is another major win for traders that you may be interested to hear about, and that is their profit split. They have also changed this to 70-30, which means that you get to keep 70% of all of the profits that you make on that account. Much more competitive than many other prop firms in the industry. So what else is Trade the Pool offering that helps them to stand out? They've got some pretty impressive features that any trader would appreciate. Let's look at that in more detail. With Trade the Pool, you can trade over 12,000 stocks and ETFs. That means there is no shortage of opportunities to find the setups that you are looking for. And for those of you who like shorting penny stocks, Trade the Pool also offer the ability to short penny stocks, shorting even the smallest stocks out there on the market. What's more is that you can trade using any strategy or system that suits your trading style. Whether you are a day trader, a swing trader, or you're following a custom trading approach. With Trade the Pool, there are no restrictions on how you trade. Having been looking into prop firms for many years now, one of the things that really stuck out for me with Trade the Pool is the flexibility that they offer their traders. They seem to cater for a wide range of trading preferences. For example, you can choose to day trade or even swing trade. Yes, you can even hold positions over the weekend, which isn't something that every firm allows you to do. Trade the Pool even let you trade before the market opens or even after the market closes, which is great for anybody looking to take advantage of price action during extended market hours. And something I know a lot of traders will appreciate, that there are no annoying restrictions on your trading. With Trade the Pool, you won't need to worry about the usual limitations that you might find elsewhere. For instance, there is no PDT rule, pattern day trading rule, that has been the bane of many traders that use lots of different platforms. So you will not be restricted on the amount of trades that you take if your account is under $25,000. Plus, you are trading real shares, not CFDs. So you are dealing with the actual shares, the actual stock market, not contracts for difference. That is a big deal for traders who prefer more direct control over their trades. So if you're on the lookout for a prop firm for stock trading that allows you with a lot more flexibility, fewer restrictions, and fair profit sharing structure, then Trade the Pool's limited edition mini buying power program might be worth exploring. Reduced profit targets, fewer trades required, and a generous payout split. It's a strong offer in the prop firm space. Make sure to check out their website for more information. Keep in mind, this is a limited time program, so if you're interested, it's definitely worth looking into sooner rather than later. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. I'll continue to review and share insights about prop firms and trading opportunities. So if you like this kind of content, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel below. Feel free to drop a comment if you have used Trade the Pool before or if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!